Welcome to the ultimate guide for surviving the Times Square ball drop on New Year's Eve. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned reveler, we've got the tips you need to make the most of this epic celebration. So, bundle up and get ready for a night to remember. First up, dress like an onion. Layers, layers, layers. New York City in December can be freezing and you'll be outside for hours. So, channel your inner fashionista and pile on the clothes. Trust us, shivering is not a good look. Timing is everything. If you want a prime spot to see the ball drop, get there early. We're talking afternoon early. The best spots fill up fast, and once you're in, you're in. No latecomers allowed, so plan accordingly. Pack snacks like you're going on a mini vacation. Granola bars, nuts, and maybe a sneaky thermos of hot chocolate. But remember, bathroom breaks are limited, so hydrate wisely. Get ready to get cozy with thousands of your new best friends. It's like a giant freezing concert, but with more sequins and confetti. Embrace the crowd vibe. Everyone's there to have a good time, just like you. Don't worry, there's plenty to keep you entertained. From live performances to the electric energy of the crowd, the hours will fly by. Pro tip, bring a phone charger or a power bank because you'll want to capture every moment. And when the confetti settles and the clock strikes midnight, it's time for the grand exit. Know your way out. Have a post-party plan, whether it's a cozy diner, the subway, or a ride share. The rush to leave is real, so be prepared. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to surviving the Times Square ball drop. Remember, it's all about preparation, patience, and having a blast. If you enjoyed these tips, smash that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and share your own New Year's stories in the comments. Happy New Year, and may your celebration be unforgettable.